Consider the following cultural initiatives under Lord Curzon: revival of Archaeological Survey of India, passage of ancient monuments, okay, passage of ancient monuments, and passage of Ancient Monuments Preservation Act, then establishment of Asiatic Society of Bengal. Now see, Lord Curzon, he was there during the time period of 1899 to 1904. Okay, how many of the above were undertaken during Curzon's viceroyalty? So when we eliminate, so Asiatic Society of Bengal, it was created in 1782. Okay, that means during the time period of Warren Hastings. So it was generally done in 1782 during the time period of Warren Hastings. So when we are talking on Warren Hastings, so he was very much earlier, okay, and here this is newer. So that is why here what can we say is that the third statement is incorrect. Okay, the third statement is incorrect. All right. Whereas when we talk on the revival of Archaeological Survey of India, so after Archaeological Survey of India was created in the 1860s, okay, so during the time period of Lord Curzon, okay, there was the appointment of one another person whose name was John Marshall on the directorship of the particular, Archaeological Survey of India. And this particular thing then later on led to the rise of, this particular thing later on led to the strengthening of the Archaeological Survey of India, and it gathering a lot of other things, means a lot of other excavation data. Okay, so he did that. And passage of Ancient Monuments and Preservation Act. Okay, so this was done in the year of 1904. Okay, under him, because he knew the relevance of this particular thing. All right, so that is why the third statement is incorrect, the first and second is correct. So only two is going to be the answer. All right, only two is going to be the answer.